Pancit Canton. Influence of the Chinese in the Philippine noodles. Pancit, or spelled as pancit, is a Filipino version of a noodle dish what was contributed by the Chinese traders during a pre-Hispanic times of the Philippines. Every part of the Philippines archipelago has its own version of pancit. Pancit translates to noodles in English, and the Canton name is most likely derived from the food that are similar to Cantonese foods. The word pancit actually comes from the Hokkien word. Pancit is a simple dish that symbolizes a long and happy life because it is usually served on birthday or special occasion. Pancit